We cannot say peace in South Africa and not say peace to all Africans. We cannot say we love South Africans and hate Africans. Fighters, the 1976 generation was killed because they refused to learn in Afrikaans. They refused that there must be puppets of imperialism. There must be puppets of an apartheid system that was not benefiting them with anything. They were told that they need to learn mathematics in Afrikaans. They were told they must learn biology in Afrikaans. They were told to learn social sciences in Afrikaans. They said, hell no, we will never do that. It was not only them who refused, even their teachers refused because they did not know Afrikaans. How do you expect me to teach mathematics in Afrikaans when I do not know Afrikaans myself? The children said they are not going to take the language of the oppressor and make it their own language. They've got their own language, and that language will never die because Hendrik Verwoerd said, we are not important. We must not be taught important lessons. We must be taught inferior education that will not make us compete with white people. We refuse. We said we are better than white people. They found us here. They found us teaching each other using our own languages, and therefore we cannot become clever today because a white man has arrived in our country. We salute them because they said, we don't want to reproduce a generation of cowards who are going to speak Afrikaans because they worship their masters. We say to them, thank you. Thank you for not being cowards, because if you were cowards, we will not be here today. Comrades, we are here at the Union Building today. In 1976, a black person will never dare to come closer to the Union Building. But the youth of 1976, since they were short, they only sang one song, Siaya Epitori. And from 1976, we arrived here in Pretoria today, and there is nothing that is going to stop us from occupying this Pretoria, because that's where our people were saying they are going. They said, we need to go to Pretoria. Why should we go to Pretoria? They said, our IDs are being issued in Pretoria. If Pretoria refuses to release your ID, it means you do not exist. Therefore, we are going to Pretoria. The laws that are being passed to kill black people are being passed in Pretoria. Therefore, we are going to Pretoria. The 1913 law that was passed, which took land from our people, was passed in Pretoria. That's why we need to go to Pretoria to change that law and pass the new law in Pretoria. And that law must return the land into the hands of the people of South Africa. Fighters, the Bantu Act, Bantu Education Act, was passed in Pretoria. And the only way to do away with Bantu education and the Bantu Act and introduce Bella Bill, Bella Act, we must come to Pretoria and set away with Bantu education and replace Bantu education with people's education for people's power, and education that will make a black child to be confident of being himself, that will make a black child not to be scared of their peers, that will make a black child to know that I am black and I am beautiful. There is nothing black and inferior. Black means confidence. Black means intelligence. Black means working hard and turning this country for the better. Comrades, we came to Pretoria because our problem started here in Pretoria. Solomon Mahlangu was hanged here in Pretoria. Nelson Mandela was sent to Robben Island from here in Pretoria. They called this thing a union building after they came together, the whites, English and white Afrikaners, and had a treaty that they are no longer going to fight, and they formed a union government. That's why this thing is called a union building. It is their union building. Under us, it will never be a union building. This place will be declared a freedom square where people will come and enjoy their freedom, where they will know that sitting here is the government of the people and not the government of the oppressor. That big statue under the EFF of Louis Botha, it is going to be demolished, and Nelson Mandela's statue will remain standing, because we can only associate with Nelson Mandela and not a murderer called Louis Botha. Only the EFF can stop that unemployment. How do you stop the unemployment? We need to nationalize the mines. We need to process every product that comes underground here in South Africa. Beneficiation must happen in South Africa. When they dig chrome and they put it behind the truck and they take it to KZN, and from KZN they take it to outside South Africa, those are your jobs behind the truck. That's why chrome must be produced here and go next door. That next door will be a factory where they process chrome, and then it goes outside South Africa as a finished product. Those who dig chrome, they will get jobs. Those who process it after digging, they will get jobs. That's how you create jobs. That's how you industrialize. You can never have industries if you don't beneficiate the minerals from this country in this country. Industry is what is going to create jobs in the whole of South Africa. But they will never do that. Why? Because they sell everything. The EFF is the only weapon of the poor, of the poorest. That's why EFF is insulted every day on Twitter, on social media, because it is the only organization that is not controlled by the white man. All of them are controlled by the white man. This organization is controlled by black women and black men and all Africans in South Africa, Africa and the diaspora. We are fighting for black people, and we are not ashamed of that. The only option you have is to love each other amongst ourselves. Let us fight for peace in Africa. Let Africa one day know peace. Let DRC know peace. Let Somalia know peace. Everywhere else in Africa must be about peace. Ethiopia, we need peace. In DRC, we need peace. We cannot say peace in South Africa and not say peace to all Africans. We cannot say we love South Africans and hate Africans. Batho ba Lesotho ke batho ba bolena, lena le di relative ko Lesotho. Batho ba Botswana ke ba bolena, lena le di relative ko Botswana. Batho ba Mozambique ke ba bolena, lena le di relative ko Mozambique. Batho ba Venda ba na le di relative ka Zimbabwe. We are one thing. Africa is one. Africa must never be divided by anyone. Let us love all Africans. Comrades, emelang nnete. Nna ke emetse nnete. Le ge ba mpitša maruga, ba nthoa every day, ba nyaka mpolaya every day, ba nyaka ntshwara every day. I will never beg them. I will always tell them the truth, because the truth remains the truth. Africa is one. One love for Africa. Africa, we need peace, and that peace starts here.